Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your hairstyle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to change your hairstyle and then customize your character in Heartopia, you need to find Dorothy. You can go to the map and then you need to track Dorothy. Wait, let me zoom in. Okay, this is Dorothy and you need to track her. And then after you track her, you can go to her store and go to the second floor to find a mirror. Or if you have unlocked mirror in your house, you can use the mirror to customize your character. Okay, and you can click on the mirror and here you will be able to change your hairstyle. Okay, some of them are free guys, and for me I'm going to choose this one and click on purchase and it's free. Okay, and as you can see that my hairstyle has been changed. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your hairstyle in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.